Hey guys, I am opening this box for you from Lúvme Hair. Sorry about my nails. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on. I got a bunch of headbands. Oh, this is pretty. I just wanted to come to y'all and show y'all what I got. I got a very pretty. Look how tight the curl is. I got more stuff. Look at this. Oh my. Look at what I got, guys. Let me open this for y'all. I got a head cover. And look. Ah, nice. I'm not sure. I think this is a band for the wig. I like this. What else? It's a plucker. And I got a comb, a brush. Not bad. These look like headbands. I got orange, black, and pink. I like this company. Lúvme Hair. Thank you, guys.